Hi guys, so just jumping straight into this look. So today we are using the Carnival 3 Love Tahiti palette, and the first colour that I'm putting down here is just the shade Forest. It's this stunning dark green shade, and I'm just putting this all along my crease. Being quite bold with this look today, we're going for two different kind of colours like oranges and greens and stuff. Just haven't really played with these, so I thought I would put them to the test. And just slightly above that, I'm just going in with the shade Tropics, which is another green shade, but it is slightly lighter. Also do mix in a little bit of the shade Reef as well. Just slightly above that, just blending in so that it's just got that lighter transition sort of shade. And then just slightly above that again, I'm just going in with the shade Key Lime, which is more of like a limey green shade, but it does kind of come off quite yellow when there's no green under it. So that's why it's kind of looking quite yellowy green. Just blending this all in with my Peaches brushes. These are the brushes that I talk about in nearly every single look, to be fair. So I will make sure that they are linked in the description for you guys so you can see the exact brushes that I am using. But they are fantastic. In with my Louise, I think it's like from the Acid Rain collection, blank canvas, and that is what I'm putting down here. And this base is actually really nice. It's like one of their paints. It's really nice. Now I'm just going in with the shade Yellow, and this is like a sort of neon orange shade, and I'm placing this just kind of in the middle. Then just beside that, I'm going in with the shade Sundown and Blaze. I've kind of mixed the two colours here. I'm also going in with a little bit of chili pepper just in the corner there, just to give it that sort of red into the orange kind of contrast. Sort of building up that green shade, I'm just going in with the darkest shade Forest, and I'm just deepening that up. I do switch brushes quite a lot here to a more sort of pencil brush. This is one of the little detail brushes, which are absolutely fantastic. If you are looking to do like a lot of detail and stuff, then these kind of brushes are fab for that. I'm just going back and forth over the colours, just making sure that they're nice and bright and bold and that they all stand out. Just going in with some lashes here. These are Wild by my own brand, and I'm just applying these with some tweezers. Just going in with some foundation here. This foundation is the Revolution Matte Base, and absolutely love this foundation. It's fantastic. It's so full coverage, but it's so affordable. It's just awesome. Honestly, you should try it if you're looking for like a cheap and cheerful foundation, because it is really good. This one is in the shade F1. Then with some concealer. This one is the Revolution Conceal and Hydrate Concealer. And I'm just going back and forth, just making sure that's all blended in nice and seamlessly with my big foundation brush. Then I'm just going to with my Peaches setting powder. Again, this is just the universal one, and I'm just putting this under my eyes. I feel like this setting powder is absolutely fantastic, and it does the job. It's great. Now I'm just going back to the eyes, and I'm just going back in with that orange shade again and the lighter orange shade, and that is the two colours that I'm putting under here. So that is the colour Sundown and then the colour Yellow, which is the lightest one. So I'm just going in with some pencil liner here just to sort of finish off the eyes. Then I'm just finishing off my face base. I'm just going in here with my favourite Pout Bomb by Revolution in the shade Candy and a little bit of highlighter. And that's this look done. Pretty simple, pretty easy. I hope you guys love it. Thank you guys so much for all the love and support, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.